the 3D printed birdie house. We have food, the door to go in, windows, and a dual story little house for them with ladders and perches. 2 floors, yes. So let's bring the birds. Come on. Okay, so the birdies are here and they should be getting used to their new house soon. One is a shy one, so he's already inside. But this one likes to sit outside. Oh, they're getting used to their house. So now they can start eating. See? She's telling him to... Fine, it's fine. Come on, this is our new house. Be nice. I'm standing in my food. You just can eat here. Let me just poop here once time. Okay. White one is like, okay, let's just start eating. And get used to our new house. So, happy living, right? Now, they can enjoy their house. Getting used to it. The shy one is eating food. And she's sitting on top of the perch. I think we should put some cotton and stuff inside. They will be warmer inside. So we can retire the cage. We don't need the cage. We love our birds, our lovebirds, to be out and open and free, not caged.